Hi folks, it's Marcus Borden and I'm here at my barbecue home, CountryWoodSmoke HQ. I'm all about cooking outdoors. I'm a best-selling author of Food and Fire, a book about outdoor cooking and barbecuing. And I'm here to give you at Parsons Nose some top tips on how to barbecue better. One of the first things I'd say is get a barbecue with a lid, ideally. And a lot of people think that a barbecue lid is to keep the rain off, but actually it turns your barbecue into a smoky oven. My next tip is to use a digital thermometer. This will give you accuracy, control and precision in your barbecuing and tell you when your meat is safe to eat and it's cooked how you like it. My third tip is you really only need a couple of handfuls of good quality charcoal to cook for a very long time. Too many people use way too much charcoal and the food burns and overcooks. Number 4, use some smoking wood. This will add flavour to your food. You only need a little bit. This is cherry and it's wonderful, gives a great colour and flavour to food. My final tip is to make sure you're well refreshed and you've got something cold to hand. Barbecuing is hot work and you need something to keep the thirst at bay. Cheers.